guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Machine Blog TV. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe before you leave my YouTube channel. One of the most informative YouTube channel on the rise. So you know we need to rock it to the fullest. TGF Tango this Friday. So make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. Leave a comment. Hey guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I've already tell you guys that there's gonna be some changes, like one, trying to get better light. Two, I want to start to include you guys in what I'm doing in a simple way, like giving a shout out. So every time I make a video, the other video coming up, you will hear a shout out, because when I check in the comment section and see the first person to comment, I will give you a shout out in my next video coming up. You will hear a shout out. Yes, give you a shout out. What is a shout out? It's like, hey, today's shout out, post shout out goes to Mary Jane. Today's post shout out goes out to Mary Jane, and we give that shout out. This YouTube is now viewed on Facebook, it's on Instagram, it's on all the social media platform that is here. People see me in the street and say, hey guy, what's up Oshane? I saw your YouTube channel, I saw it on Facebook, and it's banging and it's growing and spreading love, showing love. So I want to include you guys into what I'm doing. So welcome to my YouTube channel again. So make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment to get that shout out. Things Jamaican parents will say while schooling their child, while giving their child a ass whipping, to bust their ass, to whack them when them do something real bad. When them get out of line, when them step out of line, you have to put them back in line. In some other countries, they do not do these things in some other countries. Maybe that's why in some other countries the kids are so bold. They do what they want, retaliate back on their parents, disrespect their parents anywhere, anytime. But in Jamaica, you will get a fine ass bossing, a fine scolding, a fine whopping, fire to your behind, fire to when mama draw for the belt and whop you, fire underneath your skin. And when mama whop you, mama say, boy, our girl, look up it me, look a girl. Hey, this is gonna hurt you more than how it's gonna hurt me, because every time she drop that belt and she goes so whoosh across your back, she goes so whoosh across your back. Every time she goes so whoosh, the belt slap her across your back, and she slap you and it slap her across your back. So that's what she means, that it's gonna hurt her more than how it's gonna hurt you, because every time she whop you with that belt, the belt whop her across her back. Yes, that's one of the things Jamaican mother would say while schooling their child, while busting their ass when they get out of line. As I say, in some other countries they do not do this. Understand? They say it's child abuse. It's child abuse, but child abuse, we Jamaican, we have our laws against child abuse. When you go overboard than the norm, than using a belt and schooling a child. Understand? Or you punish a child in a certain manner. We have our rules. But guys, in a Jamaica, when you hear a Jamaican mother say, boy, this is gonna hurt you more than how it hurt me, that's what she means, because every time she whop you, the belt go across her back. And next thing, Jamaican mother have a tendency, serious when you have a stammer mother, Jesus, peace. You say, thou shalt not call the Lord name in vain. I love you, Jesus, I love you, Lord. God is good, he's a good God. But when time you have a stammer mother and she beat you, in some other country they say stutter. When you have a stutter, when you have a mom that stutter or a dad that stutter, but in Jamaica we say stammer. And when your mother draw that belt When she get that belt and she hold it and she said, boy, and she said, girl, and she said, where you come from? Oh, you not come home from school early. Where you up on the road and do so late? And she grab you, or grab him or her. And when she grab you and she draw that belt and say, look, 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 look. Oh, 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 long. You feel left from school. You say, guys, if every time she fi stutter, if you get 5 lick, you get 50. Where you come from, boy? Look up, girl. You not hear me say you fit come more early. Amount of lick that you just get, the amount of lick that you just get. I worst thing for Jamaican stammer parents, or stammer mother, or stammer father, or a father with a stutter. I school you, I beat you, and bust your ass when you come out the line. The worst thing. Just imagine, every word I stutter. If you forget 5 lick, you get 10. If you're supposed to get 10 lick, you end up get 50. Your ass will be on fire when she done bust that ass, tear that ass up, rip it up. Yes, and for you smutty mind people, when you hear about ass and love to talk about why, if you have a problem with this, please, just feel free not to view it. Because this is for people that have a wider mind, not the carnal mind and look up, square mind people. Okay, so back to what I'm saying. Yes, man, that's one of the things that a Jamaican parent will do while schooling a child, while busting a child's ass when a child come out of line. As I say again, we do not promote child abuse. Let that clear. I'm clear the ear. We do have strict laws and abuse, but in Jamaica, a parent is allowed to school a child in a decent manner. Yes, I remember one case where there was a young man. He was about 11-year-old at the time around his mother. I'm not going to disclose his name. And I remember there's an incident and it ended up that the child got away to the police station and that child make a report on the mother. In other words, the child go to the police station and tell a lie on his mother, that his mother abused him in a certain manner. And we were there and we got a call to come to the police station. And it's okay, don't know what happened, so we're going to the police station. So we go at the police station, and we reach at the police station. The policeman asked the child, is this your mom? And she said, yes. Is this your mom, is this your child? And she asked the child, said, you said your mom beat you in a certain manner. And the police lady turned to the mother and said, Mom, how did you school this child when you're schooling this child? She said, I took a belt and I will whap him across his bottom, across his feet, across his bottom, across his feet. She said, the policeman said, right, because you have a wrong way and a right way how to school a child. You have a right way and a wrong way how to do it. Yes, a right way and a wrong way. So, yes, you have a right way and a wrong way to do it. So, just want to let you know, back to what I'm saying again. Yes, things a Jamaican mother will say to you while schooling you, while busting your ass, while giving you a fine whipping. When Jamaican mother draw her belt and grab a belt to whap you and say, boy, stand up, don't run in. Boy, don't run in. Stand up. And if you try to run in, if you ever even make her look like you want running, guys. Mr. Guys, if you ever make her look like you want, if you ever make even have a look by your face like you want run, it's when she grab you, and when you see when him grab you, whether it's a father or a mother, and he grab you, and he grab that belt, and him start drop it across your back, and drop it across your bottom, and bust bust your ass. Hear your father now. This is what come out of your father mouth or your mother mouth. Boy, stop the noise. Boy, stop the noise. We are ball for. You get something for ball for. You get something. Stop the noise, boy. Stop the noise. You get something for ball for. I might give you something for ball for. Stop the noise. Stop the noise. I might give you something for ball for. Just imagine this man or this woman. I bust your ass. I whip your ass. I tear your ass with a belt. And I tell you if you stop them now, shut up. Shut up. We are ball for. Shut up. You ball. I make you something for ball. And sometimes when they drop across your back and you go say, aye. You wiggle up and you say, Mommy no. I'm not do it again. Or Daddy no. I'm not do it again. Daddy give me one more chance now. Tap me nice. Tap me nice. You get nothing for ball for. You want me to give you something for ball for? You want me to give you something for ball? I said, Jamaican parents are the best. Jamaican parents are the best. And you leave a comment in the comment section. Leave a comment in the comment section when you come in contact with this video, whether by Facebook, whether by Instagram, whether by Twitter, wherever, whatever platform you come across this video. Leave a comment and tell me if I'm telling a lie. If you have a Jamaican cousin, a Jamaican friend, or a Jamaican mother, or a Jamaican father, you can ask any Jamaican about this. When we remember, sometimes we grow up, when we get big, when we grow up, we remember these things and we laugh. Because sometimes when we look back at it, it's just for our own good. They're just trying to curve us in the right way. And if some of these children in today's generation were getting a good schooling, we're getting a good ass whipping, in a decent manner, in an appropriate manner, you will have some better kids. Not some disrespectful kids that's want to disrespect you in Mega Mart, Shoppers Fair, disrespect in Walmart, in whatever, wherever you are in the world, wherever. Because kids tend to act up sometimes, most of the time, spoiled kids in the streets. When they take them out in the streets, when they take them out at the supermarket, Daddy, me want that. Daddy, me want that. Me want that. Daddy, me want that. And in Jamaica, we have a saying, say, dance a yard before you dance abroad. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. That terms, that saying, it means practice at home before you go out on the street. Practice at home before you go abroad. So you curve the tree while it is young. That's another Jamaican saying. So you teach a child right principles. The Bible says grow up a child in the right manner. So when this child get big, the teaching that you give that child won't depart from him. If you teach him good principles, yes, you will get a child that brought up with good principles. Yes, yes, that's what the Bible says. You know, we can't left God out of nothing. We can't left God out of nothing. We can't left Jesus out of nothing. I'm not just saying God because there are many gods. You can't left Jesus out of nothing. Because who the Son set free is free indeed. You know, you hear it in my heart of video. But back to what I'm saying. Back to what I'm saying. Just some LOL for your day. This video. Give it a like. Give it a share. Give it a subscribe. Leave a comment, because I want to see some smiley face. I want to see some people cracking up in the comment. Yes, to let me know that this video has gone out and people have liked it and it has impacted people. People understand Jamaican parents. Back to the story again. Jamaican parents scrolling a child or busting a child's eyes or beating his or her child when a child step out of line or do something really, really bad that need them to get back in line. And in the long run, when this child, when this young man or this young girl become a man or a woman in life, they will remember that, hey, I thank God for my mother, because those harassing that I get, those whipping, raise me up with good principle. So I must teach my children to have good principle. Back into the video again. Jamaican mother, Jamaican father, have a tendency. Send you go a shop and tell you say, boy, hey girl. I said me spit a ground and the spit dry up. Watch what you gonna get when you come back. Watch what you gonna get. And you see you know, you look on the spit and you take off and you run go a shop. And you run come back from a shop. And if you look down on the ground and the spit dry. The spit dry now. Sometimes you know Jamaica is a tropical country, a Caribbean country, the sun hot. So you know say the spit I go dry. That saliva from your mouth to touch the ground, I go evaporate. I go dry. It's gonna evaporate. No care how skilled you be. When you come back, sometimes you wonder if them do it intentionally. Because Jamaican parents have a tendency to store up the beating. They store it up and say, yeah man, still the think you get way. Still the think you get way, here. Still the think you get way. Yeah man, me just sum it up for you. In other words, them just everything what you do for a week or two, them put it together. They just put it together. You see, and that day, when time you pass the line, and you step out of bound and them put you back in a bound, them send you go shop and spit the saliva on the ground and said, don't make this dry up. They no intentionally say to go dry up, you know. Jamaican parents, what they will do or say while scoring you, giving your ass whipping. This is what now. The spit dry, the saliva dry, tropical country, sun hot. You run come back. Usain Bolt couldn't run faster than you. Too fast you sprint to get back before that saliva dry off the ground. And mother look on you, father look on you and say, boy, girl, come here, little girl. Eh? Me not tell you say, well, it take so long. Whap, 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 whap. Eh? Me not tell you don't make the spit dry. Now make the spit dry. And they know so the spit are going to dry. But because guess what? They want a good alibi to give you a fine ass whipping for something where you do last week, the sugar where you teeth out, the milk where you take out, the cheese where you take out of the fridge, or the things them where you damage in the bathroom or you mess up the place and you let it slide and you say, yeah man, you do it 2, 3, 4 times and you make it slide and you feel like it's all good. Oh, mom not gonna do me nothing, dad not gonna do me nothing, mommy not gonna say anything, daddy soft man, daddy not say nothing man, daddy not gonna beat me. Me have daddy pot, me have daddy's boy, daddy love me, me have daddy's pet. Daddy's pet. You poor you don't know say mommy and daddy a plan. Say hey, yeah man. One cocoa full basin and another Jamaican saying is that everything pile up so till it's full. So till the basket full. So you take up 1 mango, 2 mangoes so till the basket full. So everything that you do in space of a week pile up sometime a month. And they give you a fine ass whipping, bossy ass, put a fire up underneath your ass, whop your skin. Yes guys, so things Jamaica people, Jamaica parents will say while scrolling you or giving you a scrolling. Things that they will say and things that they will do while they are giving you a scrolling or want to give you a scrolling. But as I say again, I will exaggerate one more time. In Jamaica, we have laws against child abuse. So this is not to promote child abuse, but there are right ways and wrong ways to go about doing this. But if we have more children out there more parents getting stern on children and find suitable punishment towards whatever they do, because kids will be kids and they're always gonna be mischievous, they're always gonna do, especially teenager when they reach 13, 14, 15, 16, they reach in this stage, they get rebellious, peer pressure and all these things. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so as I said, make sure you leave a comment. I will stress the comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And remember I said earlier on, I'm gonna I am about to start to give some shout outs. So leave a comment in the comment section, and in my upcoming video I will give you a shout out, because this YouTube is growing and people around the world is viewing my YouTube now. That it's a get the platform is growing. People see me in the street and say, what's up bro, I saw your YouTube and the video is good, and check out that video and I like that video, and yeah, yada yada, A B C D E F G, long story short. Yeah, so on Instagram, Facebook and other platforms, this YouTube channel is now showing. So I will give a shout out. I want to include you in the video. I want to make you feel like you're a part of this. I want you to be a part, because this YouTube is about you. It's not just about me. It's a family thing. You guys, my subscribers, my faithful subscribers, my new subscribers, welcome. Welcome to this YouTube channel. So like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. I won't stop stress the comment, because in previous videos I leave out saying leave a comment. I will stress it. I will give a shout out to my brother from another mother. First shout out, Ricardo Rooms. Ricardo Rooms, I will shout out, give you the first shout out, because you have been here from day one with me. That's my first shout out today. So leave a comment in the comment section so you can get your shout out.